Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. The site is live, not blocked, and serving 200 responses. Once done, generate an XML sitemap that lists canonical URLs and upload it to your route. Next, add the sitemap link to robots. TXT in your site footer so crawlers find it easily. Then, log into Google Search Console and verify ownership using HTML file, meta tag, or DNS verification. After verification, submit the sitemap. This starts Google's initial discovery and indexing pipeline for your pages. You now focus on signals that help Google understand and trust your pages. Implement canonical tags to avoid duplicates, add JSON-LD structured data for clear context, and write concise, relevant meta titles and descriptions. Make sure pages are mobile-friendly and load quickly. Optimize images, preload fonts, and use caching to achieve under 3 seconds if possible. Build a clear internal linking structure so authority flows naturally. Finally, use Search Console's URL inspection and coverage reports to watch how Google crawls and indexes each page. You finish by prioritizing pages to index and requesting indexing through URL inspection for high-value content. Make sure there are no lingering noindex tags, no soft 404 responses, and that redirects are minimal and correct. Monitor Search Console for processing. Pages often appear within days, but allow up to a few weeks. If pages still aren't indexed after 2 to 4 weeks, audit server logs for crawl activity. Refresh and republish content with slight changes, then resubmit the sitemap. Troubleshooting tip: if crawl rate is low,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.